Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you all how to use the new Instagram sticker, support small business sticker. First off, you should have updated your Instagram app. If not, you won't be able to see the new Instagram sticker. So to be able to use it, you click on your story, then click to add to story, and you select a picture you would like to use for this sticker. So now I've selected a picture and I'll go to the sticker icon and click on support small business. It's just right there. It's going to be the first sticker you would see, and you just have to update your Instagram app. If not, you won't see it because I wasn't seeing mine until I updated my app. So now I'm going to tag my business at NHPSNG. Note that it's only business pages you'll be able to tag on this. You can't tag any personal page or creators page, so it has to be a business page. With this new Instagram sticker, you'll be able to support small businesses, support entrepreneurs, friends that you know that are running businesses. You'll be able to share their businesses on your page, and it's like a free advert from Instagram basically. So now I'm going to place it somewhere. You can place it at the top, you can place it by the left or the right, anywhere you like to place it. Just place it somewhere that will be able to be visible. As you can see, it's already populated 3 pictures, and these pictures are the 3 top pictures on my page. So it's a good thing for people to see other pictures on your page too before clicking. Now I'm going to add to my stories. I'm going to add to my stories, and it automatically uploads. And now I'm going to find it in the support small business story, but right now I only have an old picture there, so I'll just show you guys my former picture that has been uploaded there before. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.